Friends, today we'll solve the equation square root of x upon 1 minus x plus square root of 1 minus x upon x is equal to 13 by 6. Now for solving this equation, here you write solution. Consider the term square root of x upon 1 minus x as any variable. Say x upon 1 minus x is equal to, assume that it is a z. So write this as z. This is a reciprocal of z. So you write as 1 upon z is equal to 13 by 6. Therefore, this equation will become z plus 1 upon z is equal to 13 upon 6. Okay. Now here you can take LCM. Z square plus 1 upon z is equal to 13 by 6. Therefore, cross multiply this. Z square 6 into z square plus 1 is equal to 13z. Therefore, 6z square plus 6 minus 13z is equal to 0. Now this has become a quadratic equation which is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is ax square plus this is bx and this is c. Rearrange this equation. Therefore, 6z square minus 13z plus 6 is equal to 0. Now solving this equation, you multiply a and c. This a is the coefficient of z square and c is the constant. 6 6 are 36. This 36 you make the two part of it in such a way that by manipulating it either by adding or subtracting you get the middle term as 13. Now 9 4s are 36. Minus 9 minus 4 is plus 36. So the two part will become minus 9 and minus 4. Now this 13z you write as minus 9z minus 4z. So 13z you will get middle term. Therefore 6z square minus 9z minus 4z plus 6 is equal to 0. Now take common out of it. Therefore common you take it as a here 3z. 3z in bracket 2z minus 3 minus 2, take a common, 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. You can see here 2 into 2 into 4z minus 2 minus 3 plus 6. Here 2z minus 3 is common in both. So take it common. 2z minus 3 in other bracket 3z minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, either 2z minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3z minus 2 3z minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore z over here is 2z is equal to 3. Therefore z is equal to 3 by 2 or 3z is equal to 2 or z is equal to 2 by 3. Now you get the here you got the two value of z. First one is 3 by 2 and second is 2 by 3. This value you put it in here because x upon 1 by x we have assumed as the z. So therefore substituting the value square root of x upon 1 minus x is equal to 3 by 2. Or you can take this as a 2 by 3 or square root of x upon 1 minus x is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, for solving it, square on both the sides. Square root and square both are cancelled. X upon 1 minus x is equal to 9 by 4. 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4. Cross multiply it. Therefore, 4x is equal to 9 into 1 minus x. Therefore, 4x is equal to 9 minus 9x. Therefore 4x plus 9x is equal to 9. Therefore 9 plus 4 is 13x is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 by 13. This is the first solution. Here solve the second one. Or x square on both the sides over here. Square root and square both are cancelled. X upon 1 minus x is equal to 2 to the 4, 3 3 is a 9. Cross multiply it. Therefore 9x is equal to 4 into 1 minus x. Therefore 9x minus 4, 9x is equal to 4 minus 4x. Therefore 9x plus 4x is equal to 4. Therefore 9 plus 4 is 13. 13x is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 13. These are the two solutions, two values of x of this equation.